This is Jesse Slome, Director of the American Association for Long-Term Care Insurance and the newly created National Advisory Center for Short-Term Care Information. I've created this video to answer questions from both insurance agents who have been calling and emailing asking what's up, with a specific message for those who are long-term care insurance specialists, those agents who focus all or part of their effort selling LTC coverage. So I was approached by several insurers and other entities with a request to put short-term care insurance products on the map. These products have been around for a number of years, and some new ones are going to enter the marketplace in the years ahead, but they have flown under the radar. So I'm going to do the two things that I basically enjoy the most and I think do the best. The first is to create heightened awareness among both consumers and insurance professionals. And the second thing is to create marketing tools and material that insurance professionals will be able to access and use to generate leads and to convert those leads into sales. So stay tuned. Over the past 20 or so years that I've been running the Long-Term Care Association, I am extremely proud of how we have been able to support the media's search for information on LTC and how we have been able to create awareness and understanding for traditional long-term care insurance. And basically, we are going to turn part of those efforts to now focus on creating the exact same level of awareness and understanding for short-term care insurance. But more importantly, for agents who are looking to sell these products, you want to know where are their sweet spots. How do they fit? What gets consumers to respond? Where are the niches for each of these products? So I am very, very proud and pleased to say that we are already working with some of the nation's top individual long-term care insurance producers. The people who are recognized every year as winning the LTC Sales Achievement Awards that the association gives out for their production. Based on their experiences, we will get all of that and use it to help others replicate their success. And at the same time, we are going to create some exclusive generic marketing tools, just as I've done for traditional long-term care insurance producers over the years. These are going to be tools that will very effectively be used by producers to, again, generate prospects, open and close sales, because that's at the end of the day what insurance producers want to do most. So there are a number of major carriers that are working in the short-term care space. I'm going to just quickly give a quick overview of three of the major carriers and some of the sweet spots that I see, and then focus a little bit more of a message for the LTC specialists. Medico. Medico has a very good short-term care product. It pays up to about 360 days. It's going to look most closely aligned with what long-term care insurance producers think of when they think of a traditional LTC product, and it certainly fits. One of the nice advantages of Medico, I would say there are two significant advantages. The first is that they will actually accept people who have been declined for traditional long-term care insurance, and I think they are really ahead of everybody else in terms of their online support. So once you get appointed with them, all of the information is accessible online. They have e-apps that I hear work really, really well. So they make it simple for you to be successful. Aetna, which is an up-and-comer in this space, certainly has a name that consumers will recognize, and where they really stand out is they have a home health care product. And all of these products are not available in all states, but on our website we have listings of where they are, and we'll continue to do more. So they have a name, they have a good home health care product, I'm told, that fits really well, and where they will take applicants who may have been declined for traditional long-term care insurance. And Kemper, also an A-rated company, has a very special product that fits really well, especially in certain states. North Carolina, it's virtually unbeatable, for people who may not be able to qualify or get traditional long-term care insurance. This can be a very easy Plan B substitution for those folks, and that's how a lot of agents are using them. So, if you're an agent and you want more information on these companies, you need to start digging, and if you're working with a GA, ask them if they already have it. If you are a long-term care insurance specialist, and that means someone who regularly sells and focuses on LTC, you can reach out to us. We can help you get appointed with Medico, and that would be my suggestion for step one, because Medico, as I said, has a very good electronic back room and back structure. So once you get appointed, you can get access, you can read all of the policies, access all of the brochures, get familiar with the e-app, and learn on your own and start to actually be successful in this marketplace. So as I said at the beginning, this is a work in progress for me and for the organization. If you just want to keep track and watch what we're doing or learn more, go to aaltci.org. The shortcut is /STC for short-term care insurance, and that will take you to the page, and then start browsing around because we're continuously adding information up there on those pages. If, however, you are a specialist, and by specialist I mean that at least 50 to 70% of your time is focused on LTC insurance, and you would like to start taking the next steps, then in a second I'm going to give you my email. Reach out to us. Thanks for watching this presentation. I hope it's answered some of your questions. If you are an insurance agent and you're just looking for more information, you can email me, but I have to tell you it is very hard for me to respond to the number of emails that I get, but I will try my very best. If you are a long-term care insurance specialist and you would like to get started and to learn more, please email me at the email that's shown on the screen, jslome@shorttermcareinsurance.org. Send me a little bit of a description of what you're looking for, and I will look forward to connecting with you and offering you some suggestions and recommendations. Thanks again for watching, and yes, indeed, we are going to put short-term care insurance on the map in the United States. Stay tuned.